happened to any, they end up selling 80. And 2 years ago, I was gonna go work for.
You living in the valley your whole life, or?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I've been here since I was 2.
Okay.
I'm from Nogales original.
All right.
Nogales, Sonora, Mexican side.
Uh-huh.
But my dad, he's from Guadalajara.
Okay.
But he's been here since before I was born. My dad and my mom got separated, so my mom basically, I was born in Nogales, Mexico, but came over here when I was a kid. Then we ended up moving back over there, and then I came back with my dad, so went to school here, did everything here. I went to quite a few elementary schools here. So I went to Larcy Kennedy on 28th Street in Osborne. I went to Papa Elementary on 36th Street in Oak. Griffin on 44th Street in Oak. South Mountain on 7th Ave and Baseline.
Mm-hmm.
And high school, I did Camelback and Gateway Community College. I started helping my dad since I was 12, because my dad does it for a living as well.
Windshield, you said?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So now I got 2 brothers. They do auto glass. One in Mexico and one here.
Okay.
I got like 5 or 6 cousins. My dad was the one who got us in the business. Okay. So we got a lot of friends, and we showed them how to install and all that stuff. We got a lot of family members that does it as well. So it's pretty big. Just primer. If you want to get closer, I can show you a little bit what I'm doing. That way we're on the same page.
Uh-huh.
You see those the rust on top?
Okay.
From the previous install, what they did is the blade went, it hit the pinch well and it scratches. And with the time, you get water in there. So what I'm doing is preventing the rust to get rustier.
Okay.
That way it won't, cause a problem. Do you get paid for that, or?
What's that? I just make ad revenue on YouTube. Yeah.
Oh, what is it?
Huh?
What is it, did you do?
What do you mean?
Just like to report stuff and.
Yeah, I just record just anything I can. Most, like I said, do pretty well on the Border Patrol checkpoints and on the I just go through a drive-through. It seems like people, I don't know why, but just that filming me going through a drive-through, they seem to be interested in, or I'll just record, kind of a vlog type of thing. Yeah, I record driving, cross country, just from San Diego, or from San Diego to Key West and then back on I-40. Now we recorded with maybe 16 cameras.
So you get,
I'll type everything down that I see. It just kind of label everything, so people, if they're searching for something, they'll find it.
That's good. This is like pretty much just some info.
What's that?
It's like to have some info.
Yeah, mostly.
That's good. you get paid for it or no?
Yeah, just make the money on the ad revenue.
Oh yeah. You get good money?
Not good, really. I mean, I spend more than I make right now, but I'm really not allowed to make money because I'm like retired from General Motors permanently. So they won't. If I make money, I have to give back the money they give me.
General Motors?
For the desert proving ground that they had here, then over at Yuma, I was at, and then I ended up the Border Patrol broke into my car and like stole their phone. And they got pissed off because they like held it indefinitely. So they ended up asking me to not come back to work for a while. So then I was able to get a permanent retirement. So then they pay me like 100% the first year, 75 the second, and then 60% till I'm 65. And I get medical benefits with that too. So then this I just kind of travel around and it helps pay for my, food, travel, and things like that.
I mean, it's still fun. You get to know places.
Yeah. And right now I make maybe $8,000-$10,000 a year, but I'm hoping to make more as I go along.
Cause I do it just for fun. I honestly, like I like Arizona a lot.
Yeah.
And honestly, probably once or twice a month, I'll go up there and just go to a different town, get to know that different town with my family. Pretty much my wife and my kid, and sometimes a few of my dogs.
Yeah.
I got like 5 dogs and 2 cats.
Okay.
Let's get to know places, You get YouTube to pay you?
Yeah, YouTube pays me.
Oh, yeah?
Sometimes I had before this I had a lot of websites, and I'd make money. I'd just work with different companies would give me some of their money if I would sell ping pong robots. That's kind of how I started out at first, was filming table tennis tournaments and coaches and things like that. And I'd sell robots or ping pong equipment, and they'd give me a percentage. Yeah.
That's badass. Pretty much some extra money, right?
Huh? Yeah.